are only 2 bars. I only have C on the pedal board, so I'll play C with my right foot. Okay. So to add the left hand, it's quite straightforward because left hand is just a C major chord. Sometimes I want to practice my pedal with my melody line, so I will play like this. Now, because it's relatively simple, I'm going to combine everything together, but at a relatively slower pace. Yeah. Think of next note. Then I can speed up. So for the next phrase, I want to play F and G on pedal board, and I use my left foot for F and G. So I will use the toe and the heel. So let's play the left hand, which is an F chord and a G chord. Now I'm going to do my right hand with my pedal. Sometimes I want to just practice the change of the pedal. Several times, and then I'll get everything together. For the next phrase, for the left hand, it's on a C and a G. If it's in the C major, C is chord 1, G is chord 5. In the last phrase, I'll play G to C. On the left hand, it's slightly more complicated. But it's still on the chord 1 and 5. So I will play chord 1, chord 5. Last phrase, yeah. On the pedal board, you only hold G because G is shared in both 1 and 5. This is the C major chord. Now I'll add the right hand. And now we can play this together. Thank you very much for watching.